I was nowhere. I was nobody. In Bombay, I was nobody. Selva took me like this.
Holidays-nale, அது நம்ம GT Holidays தான். South India's #1 travel brand.
Kadal Kondan happened like God has gifted me. Tamil cinema is my first love. I got fame. Before one night, I was this normal person. After one night, Selva Raghavan is a very hard taskmaster. If it comes to work, very hard taskmaster. He knows what he wants. Even his brother also, Dhanush, he'll not listen. Diwan Shankar Saraja's music, screenplay of Selva Raghavan's. Selva sir used to tell me, your energy level in the night is unmatchable. If you remember one scene, I go to Sonia's house, 30-30 song, it was shot in the night, 2 o'clock, I think 1 o'clock. At this moment of life, I'm 40 plus, I'm craving to be a star. I want, and I'm pretty sure that I will be back.
இந்த தீபாவளிக்கு நம்ம பூர்விகால விவோ மொபைல் வாங்கி 10 மடங்கு மகிழ்ச்சி பெறுங்க.
கலைஞர் 100 வினாடி வினா போட்டியின் மாபெரும் அரையிறுதி மற்றும் இறுதிச் சுற்று வரும் நவம்பர் 22, 23ஆம் தேதிகளில் நடைபெற உள்ளது. அனைவரும் வருக.
ஆல்ரைட் பீப்புள், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்து தானேல இருக்கோம். ஸோ தானேல நம்ம எல்லாருமே பார்த்துருப்போம் காதல் கொண்டேன்ற மூவி. யாருக்குமே அந்த படம் இட்ஸ் வெரி கிளாசிக் அண்ட் கல்ட் ஃபிலிம். ஸோ அந்த மூவியில் ஒன் ஆஃப் த மோஸ்ட் வாண்டட் பர்சன்ஸ் வித் மீ ரைட் நவ். இன்ஃபேக்ட் சொன்னாக்க அந்த மூவி ரிலீஸ் ஆனப்போ வந்துட்டு he was there everywhere, எல்லா பக்கத்துலையும் இருந்தார் அவர், இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஃபுல்லாகவே. அண்ட் he is with me, Mr. சுதீப்.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Thanks for நல்லா இருக்கேன். Thanks for for this podcast and interview, what do you call, and for being with me, and we'll have a good chat, right?
Definitely. So this is your city.
This is my city, you can call it, because I've been here from last 30-35 years.
Okay.
When I was 6 years old, I was here. I came here to Bombay. Okay. My father got transferred here.
Now then, what exactly are you doing now, like in life?
I'm doing a lot of things now. Apart from work, I have a business.
Right.
I have a business. We have a company, Pan-India company, from 30 years. We are manufacturer of cartridges, printer cartridges. Yeah. And talking about my work field, I'm in this film. I'm doing a very interesting work right now. One is web series for Amazon Prime. 2 of my films are in the pipeline. That is going to come next year. One web series, and one more thing that I'll disclose it later. That is one Tamil film I'm going to start, I think next year or just later this month. After 2 months.
Let me presume it's going to be a comeback for you in Tamil.
I always wish and hope, because Tamil cinema, I always, see, when I had entered Tamil cinema, I was a kid.
Okay.
I was just 22, 23 years old, maybe. And I was a naive guy. I mean, innocent guy, doesn't know anything about the language, about the culture, anything. The exposure I got from Tamil cinema, whatever I learned from Tamil cinema, first film, Kadal Kondan, I learned, it gave me a lot of confidence. And I like the, working culture of Tamil cinema. It's very disciplined, very punctual, and very organized. If you have any character, they have a detailed conversation before the shoot. So you don't have to worry about, when you're going for a shoot, you don't have to worry about what you are going to do. Forget the language. Language should not be the barrier. Just emoting your emotions. I mean, when you're showing your emotions, it comes out easily. When director tells you, these are things I want. And Selva Raghavan is a genius for this. And that's what I learned. So Tamil cinema is my first love. I got fame, everything from Tamil cinema. First film only, Kadal Kondan. And it was one night fame. I mean, before one night, I was this normal person. After one night, I became a special person for everyone. I went to I went to one theatre, I don't remember. They were throwing coins when my Kadal song was, Kadal song and my debut song, Padnetti Vayadil. So they loved me. They loved me as a newcomer. I was from Bombay. So they didn't know much about, but the people, the kind of love they have received from Tamil people, I'm indebted. I mean, I didn't expect that much. The love, care, the fame. So Tamil cinema is always my specialty.
So, as you said that you got the love and everything from Tamil cinema in your first film itself, nobody can forget that film, right? It's a classic,
The classic cult.
like. So, nobody can forget the climax of the film.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite part of the film.
It
like,
was that time. It was very new, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, very unique climax.
unique climax.
Yeah, very unique.
Unique.
If you talk about, are you talking about the song, the dance and the fight, or before, after that?
Towards the end in the cliff.
Cliff, no, I
yeah.
was hanging and he was also there. He, when I say to Sonia that he is a culprit, he don't hold his hand, just
Leave it.
leave it.
Yeah.
And Sonia doesn't leave it because she knows him, Vinod very well. Because she knows how, what was his, pain. Vinod's pain she knows very well. She used to treat him as a son. The love was there, tender love was there. That moment created, Selva Raghavan is a magical moment, when it was, I was the hero, but I was not the hero. Hero was Dhanush only. I got my heroine, but doesn't matter. Dhanush took it all the way because all the sympathy goes to him because he only
Takes it off.
that was a marvelous scene, And before that also, when he dance and he fight, that's a Rajkumar, Rambo Rajkumar sir's choreography. He is no more, right? But he had created a, and you know that it was totally it was a rain effect. If you remember, it's a muddy. We were not like after one shot we go to bathroom and it was not like that. Selva Raghavan is a very hard taskmaster. If it comes to work, he's very hard taskmaster. He knows what he wants. Even his brother also, Dhanush, he'll not listen. I want perfect shot. We used to work hard like anything. We used to work from 7 o'clock in the morning to till 8 o'clock in the night in Talakona village. It was very dense forest. And all the time we are just, getting drenched in rain and all, in muds and all. That is the beauty of Kadal Apart from music, Yuvan Shankar Raja's music and this one, screenplay of Selva Raghavan's.
Right.
It took, 5 people I know who got fame instantly. That is, one is Sonia Agarwal, Dhanush, Yuvan Shankar Raja, Arvind Krishna from the DOP.
Yeah.
And if you say I was the last one, but I got fame very much.
As you said that the reception, once the movie got released, that people gathered more than within the 2 days of span.
Yeah.
And that time it was only the theatre. There's no OTT or anything, nothing.
No OTT, nothing, no YouTube also, I think. There were not YouTubes or publicity. There is no way you can do any other kind of publicity. Now we have this kind of cameras, podcasts, interviews, viral videos, shorts and everything. But I don't think that they used to run the trailer of Kadal Kondan in one Sun TV only. Initially, before the release,
Right.
Kadal Kondan theme music. That Dhanush dance, the theme music is there, BGM.
Right.
So on only Sun TV, 1 minute trailer was there, and it got fame.
Who don't want to see themselves in your character, in Adi's character? Such a beautiful love story there.
Yeah, see the character sketch was as such that my first half was a Casanova. He's a lively guy.
Yeah.
He's a flirt, wants to go to any other, every woman. But second half is a different character. Same goes with Dhanush also. First half he was a lazy dog. Second half he was a tiger. If you see the second half, he's become a tiger. He's like a rage, psycho. So that is the beauty of writing. Selva Raghavan is a master in writing the screenplay. He himself used to write on the set only. Every scene he used to write or he used to edit it on the set, and we used to perform.
Right. If you can quickly recollect, I'm sure that the day one of the shoot it will be pretty hectic for you. But there must be some day in that sequence where you got the take one itself is so perfect. The first take itself is perfect.
I used to see. I still remember. Silva sir used to tell me, Sudeep, your energy level in the night is unmatchable. So if you remember one scene, if you remember that, I go to Sonia's house, and 30 song, I go and I want to kiss her. I was trying to kiss her, and her brother comes and her father comes. Then it's a sequence. It was shot in the night, 2 o'clock, I think 1 o'clock. I mean that energy level. He used to tell me, whatever perfect shot, if you want to take from Sudeep, no, you have to shoot it in the night only. I don't know. All the perfect takes was in the night. I used to give it in a like a makhan. Kadal Kondan happened like a, God has gifted me. It was not planned. I was nobody. In Bombay, I was nobody. Selva took me like this. I want this guy. Nothing else. No background of acting background. Nothing else. I was doing theatre only in Bombay. I was just 20, 21 year old. He took me without seeing my acting capabilities. He was so sure about his craft.
So what is exactly your goals are right now in your life?
Frankly speaking, if you ask me right now, see, from last 20 years, I had never thought of this. I'll achieve this or that. But now I am craving for it. Now I am craving. I am in this moment at this moment of life. I mean, when I am 40 plus, I am craving to be a star now again.
Okay.
But if you would have asked me last 15 years back, I would have not given this answer. I would have given, okay, fine, I'm doing this. Let's see what God has kept me in the kitty. But now I'm craving for it. I want. And I'm pretty sure that I will be back. See, it's an incomplete story. Kadal Kondan happened, everyone became star. I became star. But why I've told you incomplete story, they never saw me in a different role again. What Adi can do after Kadal Kondan. So that I want to do something interesting in Tamil industry.
So what kind of roles are you looking to do?
Any kind of performance-oriented role. I am more inclined to do performance. Where exactly when you see that this role is very tough to do, how he managed to do that question should arise after watching that film. Any kind of role. The preparation should be so much initially that role becomes very effortless.
Right.
I mean, if I'm doing any kind of role, not easy, where it's a mental, psychological character or something which is hard to portray, that kind of role I will do.
See, when I saw your Instagram, day before yesterday, before planning this shoot, so I could see shades of your pictures, different shades. Somehow I felt that the grey shade in that one picture with that off lighting, it really suited you well.
After doing Kadal Kondan, here there is a popular show called Crime Patrol on Sony TV.
Yeah, I heard about it.
And it's a real based show, and I have done lot of toughest character. Toughest in the sense, you name it, any character. If it is Kinnar, that, or if it is woman, if it is any kind of character, toughest character I have portrayed in Crime Patrol. From that moment, people has taken me as an actor very seriously. That this guy is here to, this guy knows the craft. Not only with the looks, I have worked beyond my looks. If it is soft face, when the character comes, you'll not. I've done one character called Auto Bhaskar. Auto Shankar, there was a guy, Auto Shankar in Chennai.
Yeah.
That role I portrayed in Hindi. He got hanged in 1995. He was a very brutal guy. So I worked with my look, I worked with my I worked with the language also. I worked. So now for me it is more of a preparation. So it is like that. So you got it right. I think I'm more inclined to do a role where my looks are not limited to it should be something different, where I can portray something different.
So I somehow feel that in near future, you'll get a lot of calls from the south.
Yeah, I hope so, because I am wishing. I wish that one film I'm doing it right now, but I can't disclose the name and the production house. But this will go on, I think so. If I land up again in Chennai, this time I'll not let people. I'll not do that mistake. It's not a mistake. I didn't know the process after. I didn't know what exactly has to be done after choosing the right films, getting a PRO, doing a PRO things. I didn't know about this. I was thinking that okay, my first film is hit. Now I'll get offers, sitting at home. It is not like that. Actor's job is to behind the camera. He has to manage so many things. He has to manage his own image, image of celebrity or actor's image. So I'll do. One thing I have is my craft. One thing I have is talent. Only thing people surrounded me should take me or trust me as an actor. Also.
Back in when the Kadal Kondain got released, the romantic portions of that in the film, I was like, wow, so much can be shown in a film, in a Tamil film. It was like that for me.
That time,
That time.
When Kamal Hassan sir used to do that kind of roles. I mean, that kind of scenes. That
Scenes,
time.
yeah. So, few lip locks, few.
Only one lip lock.
Yeah.
In Devide Kandan song only.
Yeah.
In between one lip lock was then telephone booth lip lock.
Lip lock is there.
It created a much buzz amongst people because that was new.
Right.
Selva sir told me that this will create a news for everyone. The guy from Bombay, the girl from Bombay, having the kind of a lover, In Valentine's Day, they used to run with that song. They condemn in Valentine's Day or any lover day. All the songs are hit, huh? Not only Devade. Ninju, my favorite song. It's a touchy song. I loved it.
And the background score, of course, yes.
Oh, magical.
So, when was the last time you spoke to Selva sir?
When he made this movie called, what do you call that movie? I don't remember the name. It's a fantasy movie. Arya or Karthik, I don't know.
Arya and Anushka.
Yeah, that time I spoke to him on phone.
Okay. Why are you so disconnected with your people like? From
So
the
it was not planned. It was somehow it happened. See, I wanted to do good films. I waited. I had hired one good manager also. I thought he will get me films. I wanted to work with Mani Ratnam sir. I wanted to work with many of the directors, Bala sir. That time, huh? So I didn't get much offers. I used to get offers from the people where scripts are loose, very weak. But again, I had to accept that offer because Giri sir told me accept this offer. Later on, we'll work in a big films like that. We'll have this process: one small film, two big films; one small film, two big films. It will create a cycle. So I chose that kind of films, but that films didn't work after Kadal Kondain. People expectations were much higher. Kadal Kondain hero should take much bigger film than Kadal Kondain.
Right.
It didn't happen that way. And somehow it was not disconnected. It was like if your film's not running, if you're not getting a good film, you can't wait there, no? Because my things are here, my parents are here, so I have to come back and I have to work in the industry also. Because my nativity is there. So I had come back after 3 years. 2003 I was there, 2004, 2005, till 5 I was there. 6 I came back.
So I'm sure you have a clear roadmap, what went wrong before and how are you going to correct yourself this time when you come back to the industry, right? Correct me if I'm wrong.
No, what went wrong that time I didn't realize.
Now you realize, right?
I realize now that immaturity, this is not immaturity, call it innocence. If you are 21-year-old and if you ask, you will wait, you will not see. There are a lot of people in 21 years also can make it happen, but I was not much, what do you call, I didn't have that kind of knowing the language, that industry. I didn't know the industry, how it used to work. I should have waited, I should have gone to all the directors, sir, I want to work, I want to work. I waited in the home, at home. People will call me. That's a wrong concept. People will not call. You have to go. You don't have any godfather. See, it is not Kasturi Raja is my father. Otherwise, if Kasturi Raja is my father, people will come to me. But if I don't have any godfather, I have to go. I have to create a godfather in the industry.
Right.
You know, like you and me, we are outsiders. I don't know about you, but
Yeah, totally, yeah.
Our parents are not from the industry.
Correct.
So we have to create things. That's a difficult part also. That's a fine part also, because people will not have much expectation. Whatever we will do, we will excel. That is the whatever mistake. It's not a mistake, yeah. It was destined. You know, getting a film in Kal Golden is destiny. After doing 2-3 films, I came back to Bombay. That is also destiny. It was supposed to happen that way only. If I curse, no, why it happened? I'm much positive, much optimist now. I know when I will get a chance again, I'll mari, ये कर दूँ. I mean, I'll hit the bull.
I have a very strong feel that you will.
Yeah,
because-
definitely. And this interview, I'll give it again after I think 1 or 2 films happen in Chennai. Then we will talk about this day. We had spoken.
We have spoken.
That's the manifestation.
Manifestation, yeah.
Yeah. And this will happen.
So let me ask you this, like, I'm sure you'll be following a lot of Tamil films also these days, like.
Not these days much. In that time.
So what's your last Tamil film you watched? Which one?
Last Tamil film I watched Lift.
Oh, Lift, okay.
And this one I want to watch 2 movies. One is Dhanush movie and Vetian. Vetian also I want. Vetian, no?
Vetian.
Yeah, मैं देखूँगा. That I will want to watch. And Tangalam.
Tangalan.
Tangla. That I want to, because that Vikram sir, he's such a good actor, yaar. With roles and characters or with looks, he always experiment. Only Vikram sir and Kamal sir, they always experiment with the looks. You will not even, in the first promo, I didn't realize he's a Vikram sir. And he's doing like this. Oh wow, it's a goosebumps, you know. That is my line of acting is that. If I do, you should not think that it's a Sudeep Sarangi. It's a character.
Thank you.
We'll go.
Yeah, we're going there. Yeah, we're closing here, and he's taking me to one of his favorite places to have breakfast with
Yes.
him.
Holidays nale, adu namma GT Holidays da. South India's #1 travel brand.
இந்த தீபாவளிக்கு நம்ம பூர்விகால விவோ மொபைல் வாங்கி 10 மடங்கு மகிழ்ச்சி பெறுங்க.
கலைஞர் 100 வினாடி வினா போட்டியின் மாபெரும் அரையிறுதி மற்றும் இறுதிச் சுற்று வரும் நவம்பர் 22, 23ஆம் தேதிகளில் நடைபெற உள்ளது. அனைவரும் வருக.